Namaskara everyone, welcome back to my channel Food Vision Hub. Ever try idli that tastes fresh like a monsoon morning? Today we are making a Karnataka's coastal region's super famous cucumber idli. Fresh, soft, full of coastal vibes. If you love quick, healthy breakfast recipes, hit that like button and let's get started. I've taken the cucumber which is washed and the sides of the cucumber is cut and now I'm grating it. And now to the mixer jar, add half cup of dried coconut, 1 inch ginger cut into pieces, 3 green chilies and 1/4 tablespoon of cumin seeds. Grind them and keep it aside. Now to the large mixing bowl, add 2 cups of grated cucumber, followed by 1 cup of suji rava. Add the grinded masala paste. Add 2 tablespoons of curd and a tablespoon of salt. Mix well. Now I am adding a handful of chopped coriander leaves. Combine well. Let it rest for 20 minutes. Now take the banana leaves. Cut the banana leaves as demonstrated. Fold them accordingly and staple both the sides to make a neat ball or a box. Add a drop of oil and spread it across the bowl. Now drop the idli mixture to the banana bowl. Place the banana leaf bowl gently into the cooker for steaming. Cover the lid of the cooker and steam cook for 10 minutes. Now let it cool down completely before opening the lid. Now our Karnataka's coastal region's famous cucumber idli or Soutekayi idli is ready to be served. For more such recipes, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.